All right, this is an update to the trending merch course. What I'm going to do today in this video is I'm going to do a complete walkthrough of a ideal Steemit post. In this video, what I want to do is kind of share with you the best practices of how you should write your Steemit posts so that you're writing kind of about the topic but not directly selling t-shirts in the post, because what we don't want is to have a bunch of people on Steemit selling t-shirts and then have our t-shirt postings shut down. This is too good of an opportunity to do it that way. So what we want to do is you want to write a story about the trending topic itself, not about the t-shirt. The story should be about the trending topic, and then the t-shirt should just be kind of a side thing. In fact, we ideally don't even want to put a picture of the t-shirt in the post. Now I'm going to show you how to do it just in case it is about the t-shirt or the story is about the t-shirt. But I would say 90% of the time you don't want to include the actual photo of the t-shirt in the post. It's just how this strategy is being refined now, and we're realizing that we don't really want to sell the t-shirt in the Steemit post. What we're really going after is we're going after that link. The link from Steemit, from here, that goes to the Amazon listing is really the important thing. That's what we really care about. So what we're going to do in this example is I'm going to walk you through how to do it right, how to do a fully kind of refined blog post the way that we now know we should do it. And that way everybody can stay on Steemit, everybody can post shirts and get their shirts ranked. Again, the most important thing we were going for is to rank our shirt listing, our Amazon shirt listing, in Google. In order to do that, all we need is a really good quality link from Steemit. So let me walk you through exactly how to do a post, kind of the best example of how to do a post so you can learn how to do it yourself. And then I'm also going to include this notepad document so that you can fill it in with your own URLs and your own image links and your own product links as well. Okay, so let's get started. Here I have everything pre-done for you so that it will make it easy for you to understand. And let's start here towards the bottom where I have the actual title of the post. I'm going to copy that and put it into the title bar here. The title is The Weird, Wacky, and Wonderful Go Chicken Go song / video that people are going crazy for. It's kind of a clickbaity title, right? But it's going to get clicks. People are going to want to click on it and see what this song is about. Now, this is something that just came up on my Facebook feed, and I thought, hey, this would be a good example to run with and to show you how to do this. So let me go ahead and now post my actual article, and that is right here. Now I kind of went a little bigger with this article than you have to. You don't really have to go this big, but what I wanted to do was show you full examples of everything that you can do within Steemit. So my whole article is right here. I'm going to read it to you just so you have a sense of what we're going to do and where we're going to do it, okay? So it says, there's a new bizarro song online that once you hear it will be playing in your head and making you smile all day long. The song video is titled Go Chicken Go and is getting millions of views. Like other recent internet meme songs like Gangnam Style or What Does the Fox Say, Go Chicken Go is offbeat and weird but has a super catchy song attached to an old school kung fu storyline, which makes it oddly cool. You've got to see it. It's kind of hard to explain, so here's the video. Okay, so I actually have a link to the YouTube video. Now that's not going to actually, you know, that if when people go there, they're going to actually still stay on Steemit, so that's a good thing. The meme has gotten so much attention that already there are Go Chicken Go t-shirts available online. So we're going to make this right here, we're going to make that clickable. Okay, and that's part of what I want to show you in this video, how to make the text clickable and how to make images clickable as well. The lyrics are a blend of Far East mysticism and plain old kung fu badassery. Check out the lyrics below. So what I did was I went online and I got the lyrics and I put them down here. It's just a really weird but funny song that kind of sticks in your head when you watch it. And then I said, what do you think? Do you love it? Hate it? Neither, but now you can't get the song out of your head? Sorry, not sorry. Okay. So let's start building out this post. Now, like I said, this is a longer post than I would normally put. You don't really need to have a long post. All we really care about really is that you have the keyword phrase, in this case, go chicken go, in the title. So this would be the trending topic right here, go chicken go song or video. That's the trending topic that we're writing about. Notice that I only reference t-shirts once, right here, okay? So you don't have to put the word t-shirts a bunch of times. All we need is one good link to our shirt, really, to have the result that we need. So don't make it all about the t-shirt. Make it all about the trending topic, okay? So let's start by showing you how to make this text right here clickable, okay? You're going to go to the document that I'm going to give you, and here it is. It says making clickable text. We're going to use this little piece of HTML code. Just copy it just the way it is and paste it right here in front of go chicken go t-shirts, in front of the keyword phrase that you want to link, okay? Now, technically you could paste it anywhere, but just for ease of use, we're going to paste it right here. Now what you do is you copy the keyword phrase that you want to be linkable. I'm going to just cut, and you put it right here where it says keyword, okay? Now make sure you don't accidentally cross these symbols right here. Go ahead and click paste. So now it's go chicken go t-shirts online where the word keyword was, okay? And then here's where we're going to put the actual link to the shirt. Okay, so we go back to our document, product link. Now this is the URL of your shirt. Copy that and paste it within the quotation marks. We need the quotation marks. That's part of the code. So just paste right there. And so now you've got an ahref. It has the link, and it has what we call alt text, which just tells you what that text is about. Okay. Now let's go to the preview area down below, and you'll see, well, first you'll see the video here because we have the link to the video right here, and it automatically populates it with your video. Okay, and then right here you'll see we have a clickable text, right? Go chicken go t-shirts. This is what we need out of the post, but we don't want to make it about the t-shirt. We want to make it about the video, the trending topic, or whatever your title is about, right? So just to make sure it works, I'm going to click here on go chicken go t-shirts, and it's going to take you to my go chicken go t-shirt. I'll give you a little bit exploded view here so you can get a sense of what it looks like. Now I know that's probably a rooster, but whatever. It was clip art that I was able to buy real quick, and it kind of looks like a mean chicken, so it goes with the theme. Okay, so now let me go back and go back to our Steemit post, and so far we've got the clickable link. We figured out how to do a clickable link, right? We figured out that obviously if you post a YouTube video link automatically, it will actually show your video, which is fine. Now, by the way, we don't care if somebody were to click on this video and then go to YouTube and not go to our t-shirt, okay? We don't even care about that because we're not trying to get traffic from Steemit. The only thing we're trying to do is get a link on Steemit to our shirt. That's all we care about, okay? Because this link is what's going to give us the Google juice to have our Go Chicken Go t-shirts up at the top of Google, and that's where we're going to get the sales from, okay? So if you get sales from Steemit, that's fine, but that's really secondary to getting sales from Google, and that's what this link is going to do for us. All right, let's continue up here. Now, what if you want to make a clickable image? Okay, so let's do this. Let me shorten this up a little bit. Here's the lyrics. Let's do this at the very, very end of the article. Okay, I'm going to put an image right here at the very end. Now, you could put your image anywhere. And now the image should be of something related to your topic, again, not a t-shirt image. Can you have a t-shirt image? Yes, but don't do it so often that it becomes kind of obvious that we're marketing t-shirts on Steemit, okay? What I strongly recommend is instead make the image about something that's related to your topic. So let's do this. Now, what we're going to do is this part right here, making clickable images related to your shirt. So here's the image URL. As you can see, I uploaded it to my website, davispino.com. And this is the URL of the image that we want to use. Now, in the rest of the course, I show you how to get this link or how to upload it somewhere and then use that image link. So let's put that image right here. Okay? The very end of the post. So let's see what it looks like at the very end of this post in the preview. There's the image. And all I did for this image was I screenshotted up a section of the video so that, something that was representative of that video. Okay. Now, what we want to do is we want to make this image clickable. This is a really cool way, by the way, of hiding your link and not even having to say t-shirt in your post. Okay, so we're going to be really covert here. And instead of even mentioning Go Chicken Go t-shirts in your post, you could just not even mention that, and you could just hide Go Chicken Go t-shirts in your image. Okay, let me show you how we do that. Come back up here, that's our image link, right? Now, I just realized I'm missing the code here, so let me add the code. It's similar to this code right here, but it's a little different. So let me add the code right here, and I'm going to pause the video and be right back. Okay, I've added the HTML code right here. Now what this code is going to do is it's going to allow us to create a clickable image, but just as importantly, it's going to allow us to embed our keyword phrase in that clickable image. This is important because by having this, you don't even have to say Go Chicken Go t-shirt in your post. You don't even have to mention t-shirts at all in your post. You can let the image do that for you automatically. So remember the image that we wanted to use for our story? Let me post that right here just so you remember it. And scroll down and preview it. At the very end of our blog post, we wanted to put this image and make this image clickable to our Amazon t-shirt, right? Okay, now let's make it clickable, and let's also add that cool keyword embed in it as well. So let's just to do it right, and from the beginning, I'm going to take this code, copy it, paste it here, and we're going to go, let me just give us some space here. We're going to go step by step. First, we're going to add our product link here. Then we're going to add our keyword phrase here. Then we're going to add our image link here. So there's a lot happening in this code, but basically you want the product link because that's going to link to our Amazon shirt, right? Our merch shirt. You want the keyword because that's going to tell Google what this image is about. It's about Go Chicken Go t-shirt, and that's our big keyword. And this is a very cool way, kind of a hidden way or covert way to get our important backlink. The only reason we're doing the Steemit post is to get this backlink right here. Now, again, this is a cool way to do it kind of under the radar, so you're not broadcasting to anybody that you are getting an important backlink to your merch shirt. Okay, you don't even have to mention t-shirt anywhere in your post when you do it this way. Then we're going to have our image link right here, because by having the image link, it's going to tell the browser which image to pull up. Okay, so let's fill each of these in just so you can see how it works. First, we're going to start with product link. Okay, so we're going to go with our regular product link right here, our Amazon merch shirt. Copy, put it again in between the quotation marks, and paste. Next, we're going to go with our keyword phrase. This is the keyword phrase that we want to rank for. So here I'm just going to type in Go chicken go t-shirt. This is going to tell Google this image is about and related to Go Chicken Go t-shirt. And so is this link. So it's going to wrap it all up in a nice package and tell Google, make sure that you know that this image is about this keyword phrase, and it's going to link to this product. There's our backlink, and there's our keyword phrase. Next, we're going to go to image. And that's the image that we have for this particular story, the image related to your story. Okay, copy that. Paste it right here. In between, again, in between the quotation marks. And there it is. Now let's scroll all the way down and see. There it is. Oops, I have two of them. The reason I have two of them is I forgot to delete the image that I have here. So let me delete that image. Okay. Now we go down to our preview and we'll see that our image is here, and by the way, it's clickable. Let's click on it and it takes us to our shirt. Okay. But more importantly than that, than taking us to our shirt, is it has our keyword phrase embedded in that link. So instead of having to do this over here where we embedded a link and it said, and we mentioned t-shirts available online, we don't even have to mention t-shirts. Or let me show you in the preview. Right here, Go Chicken Go t-shirts available online. We don't even have to mention t-shirts. We don't have to show a picture of a t-shirt. Nothing. It's totally under the radar because it's embedded in this image and link right here. And that's going to do what we need it to do. So I want to show you this video because it's so important that we don't be blatant about marketing shirts on Steemit. We want to keep this site for as long as possible. And by using this particular strategy right here, and special thanks to Mark Shaggy and to Ben for these refinements that have come up, this allows us to fly under the radar, allows us to promote as many shirts as we want, allows us to go with the trending topic and not even have to mention t-shirts anywhere in the post. Why? Because this image right here is doing the work that we need to do. All we need from our Steemit post is a backlink that is tied to our keyword phrase. That's it. We don't need it to show visibly. We don't need to sell t-shirts on Steemit. We're simply getting this important backlink right here to the Amazon shirt. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this refinement. Be sure to ask any questions that you have in the trending merch group. I'd be happy to answer them. And we have a few other people who are familiar with HTML and HTML coding who will be able to offer this to you. But I'm going to also include this document that shows you making clickable text, making clickable images related to your shirt, and also making clickable product images is going to be the same as this process, except instead you're going to use your product. Now, again, we want to shy away from showing actual t-shirt pictures on Steemit. But if you had to, you could simply put your link to your image right here. Let me do that really quick just to show you. Image link. Here it is. Now this would actually be a good thing if you actually do want to show t-shirts somewhere on the internet where you need to use HTML code. So I just pasted into the image link. Everything else is staying the same, but the image link is different. So let me show you at the bottom here. There's our t-shirt. It's clickable and it goes straight to the Amazon listing. Okay, but again, don't do that. You want to kind of keep it this way where you are covert and you're not blatantly selling t-shirts on Steemit. This will keep everybody happy. It'll be under the radar, but it still achieves the important thing that we need to achieve, and that is ranking on Google. One last thing before I go ahead and post. I just realized we want to put our tags in here. So in this case, it's Go Chicken Go, oops, lowercase, Go Chicken Go t-shirt. Okay. And you'll find that most trending topics allow you 3 or 4 keywords, so you can use this. Now these tags are also important because they also help Google as well as Steemit to determine where this post goes and what it links to and what is the topic of this post. So it's also important to make sure that you put the right keywords here that are related to your trending topic. Also good to add the word t-shirt as well. So let me go ahead and click post now that we have a complete, well, let's do a quick review. We have a video that talks about the trending meme. We have the lyrics, which I just grabbed off the internet. Most importantly, we have our clickable image link that has the keyword phrase embedded in that image. It's all set to go. We have our tags, so I'm going to go ahead and click post. And I love that feature of Steemit that allows us to preview before we go ahead and post it. So there it is, the weird, wacky, and wonderful Go Chicken Go song video that people are going crazy for. Now I'm going to track this and see how long it takes to rank. It should be pretty quick, and I'll post that in the rest of this video. Okay, so I just typed into Google Go Chicken Go t-shirt, which is the search phrase we're looking for. We're looking to rank for, and there is already an Amazon shirt here near the top, but that's not ours. So we're just checking for ours to be going above this one. As you can see, it looks like there's a restaurant named Go Chicken Go, so they've got a couple of spots, and then there's a Facebook page for that. As we scroll down, we don't see any other listings, but I wanted to show you here on page 2, there's our Steemit post. And it shows that it was posted 11 minutes ago. So just a little bit ago, I pinged it, and there it is at the top of page 2. So we're hoping, of course, that this moves up even further. I don't see our shirt yet, but it's only been 11 minutes. So I'm going to come back in a little bit and just see what happens. By the way, while we're waiting to see how the rankings go, I went to the actual video that has 6.7 million views. I posted a comment. I'll show you right here. The comment was, "Love it so much I wrote an article about this amazing video," and I posted my link, my Steemit link, right there. What this has the added power to do is now I'm getting a backlink from YouTube to my Steemit post. So that's giving the Steemit post even more authority, and then it's going to give my Amazon backlink more authority as well, and that's going to help it rank even better. So I wanted to add this little bit here because whenever you can get a link from an authority site like YouTube or some other authority site, do it by all means. And this was very simple. I just wrote a quick little sentence and I just added it to the comments. Thankfully, this video adds comments automatically. So that's a little extra bonus tip for you. So here's something interesting I just found out. I typed in Go Chicken Go shirt. So I didn't use the word t-shirt. I just used Go Chicken Go shirt. And already, of course, this is the one that was already on Google, so that's not ours. But already our article shows up in the first page of Google. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Position 8 on page 1 of Google. Now it's been 38 minutes since I posted this article. So you see that it takes some time sometimes for some of these to move up, but we are already there on page 1 for the term Go Chicken Go shirt. So always be aware that you might be ranking for different search terms. Like, for example, you might rank for something like Go Chicken Go song, or Go Chicken Go video, or Go Chicken Go shirt. But in any case, either your Steemit post or your Amazon post should rank, if you did everything correctly, on page 1, and that's really what we're going for. I'm going to continue to monitor this and see if our Amazon listing goes to the top. It might not because there's already an Amazon listing there, but I have seen where using this strategy we can outrank existing Amazon listings as well. So I'll keep monitoring this and I'll post it in the trending merch group if I see it move to the top of page 1. But either way, you now have a great way to add clickable text and clickable images to your Steam post. And like I said, fly under the radar, not even giving anybody a hint that you're selling shirts, because really our goal is to get that backlink to Google and have them do their magic with it. All right, hope you enjoyed this video update. As more things come in and as more refinements come in, we're going to be doing further updates to the course as well.